Hey there, it's Melissa with Atlas CFO, and today I wanted to give you 5 tips for using QuickBooks Desktop for construction companies. If you haven't followed us, I wanted to welcome you to our channel. We talk all things construction accounting and help construction business owners make their business more profitable with software and training and coaching, and so we're really happy that you're here. So today I'm just talking about just 5 things that you can do within QuickBooks Desktop to make it just a little bit easier on you. So the first thing is items. Items are our workhorse in QuickBooks Desktop. It is the thing that makes everything make sense. So spend some time on the architecture of your items, knowing what to do with your items, where they're sending things, and think about the best use for your items. They most typically get used as cost codes, but in QuickBooks Desktop, we have lots of different types of items. We have payroll items, sales tax items, items. So just spend some time in the items section and make it work for you. My second tip, organize your chart of accounts. QuickBooks wants to make it super easy for you. They are wanting to be helpful, and in being helpful, sometimes your chart of accounts is in the wrong order. Make sure that you use your chart of accounts not only on your balance sheet, but on your income statement by making sure that they're organized in the right categories. So you want to make sure that your direct costs are your direct cost and your overhead is your expenses, and you want to make sure your long-term debt is your long-term debt, not just using all the different account types. You want to make sure that they are in the right order and you're using those appropriately. Number 3, dates. QuickBooks wants to help us so much that whenever we pull up reports, it tries to fill in dates for us. That's great. It's so nice that they're trying to be helpful, but if you're not paying attention, you can produce a report that doesn't work for you because you're not using the right dates. So always look up there in that date section. Make sure you're pulling dates that are usable and helpful for you. Number 4, too much. So my tip on too much is we can set up a lot of stuff in QuickBooks Desktop, and then it's too much to manage. There's too many accounts. There's too many items. There's just too much. So give yourself a break. You get permission to simplify. Just think about the most important things that you need in QuickBooks so that you can build those and do those well. You don't have to have 100 items or 100 classes. You just build what you need, and you always can make it bigger. It's harder to make it smaller. It's easy to make it bigger. So simplify. And finally, finding job reports that work for you. There's a great group of job reports in QuickBooks, and they built them already. Plus you have all the reports that you can get into the report center. So find a report that works for you on a weekly and monthly basis. It will make a huge difference for you because you'll be knowing what to look for on those jobs each week, each month, each time you run them. If you would like more information about QuickBooks Desktop, we built a course just for QuickBooks Desktop for contractors, and it shows you how to set up job costing, items, chart of accounts, so that you can have success with this piece of software as you grow. We'd love to see you in the course. You can get more information over on our website, atlascfo.com. Thanks for spending time with me, and see you soon.